Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 3. Our today's topic is chapter 6, EMB page 73, word problem 12, 14 and 18. These 3 word problems I will solve today's class. In today's class, okay dear students, let us see the question. 3 questions. At first I have written question 12. Shukumar gets taka 90 per month as scholarship. He gave Rina taka 95 from his 12 months scholarship. How much money remains with him? It means that Shukumar get taka 90 per month. It means that in 1 month Shukumar gets taka 90. He gave Rina taka 95 from his 12 months scholarship. 12 months scholarship. It means that we have to find the total amount of 12 months that will get by Shukumar. It means that Shukumar will get the scholarship of 12 months. Then from that money he will give 95 taka to Rina. And it means that after finding out the money of 12 months of Shukumar, then we have to subtract 95. If we subtract 95, then we will get the remaining money. That will be our answer. So we can write solution. Question 12, at first I am solving. So we can write Shukumar gets in 1 month. In 1 month Shukumar gets taka 90. In 1 month Shukumar gets taka 90. Therefore in 12 months Shukumar gets we have to multiply taka 90 by 12. Dear students, I will show the multiplication here now. Here, multiply 90 by 12. This is a multiplication by 2 digits. So at first we have to multiply by 1's place. So 2 zeros are 0, 9 2's are 18. Then as 1's place is done, we have to put a 0 in 1's place. Now 1 zeros are 0, 9 1's are 9. So if we add 0 and 0, we will get 0, 8, 10. So we can say taka 1080. Shukumar will get total 1080 taka. From this money, he will give Rina taka 95. It means that he gave Rina taka 95. Therefore he was left with it means that we have to subtract 95 taka from 1080 taka. We will get the required answer for this question. Now subtract. If you subtract, you will get here 0. We have to subtract 5. So we will get 5. Now 8. Here is 10. So 0. We will get 8. And here is 1, 2. 1 subtract from 10. 985. 985. So this is our answer for question 12. Taka 985. It means that 985 taka will remain with Sukumar. Okay, dear students, now I will solve question 14. What is question 14? Question 14 is Tahmina bought a packet of 50 balloons. From them, she kept 8 balloons for her. Remaining balloons were given equally among 7 friends. How many balloons does Tahmina's each friend get? It means that at first we have to subtract 8 balloons from 50 balloons. We'll get the remaining balloons. Now, if we divide the remaining balloons by 7, we'll get the required number of persons. Sorry, we'll get the required number of balloons, which will get Tahmina's each friend. Tahmina's each friend. Okay, now question 14. Question 14. Tahmina bought given. You can write solution, then given. Tahmina bought 50 balloons. And she kept 8 balloons for her. Therefore, remaining balance. What will be the remaining balance? We have to subtract 8 from 50. This will be equal to 42. If we subtract, we will get 42 balance. Okay, dear students, now this 42 balance we have to give to 7 friends of Tahmina. It means 7 friends will get now 7 friends get 42 balance. Therefore, 1 friend gets, we have to divide 42 by 7. Now we have to divide 42. If we divide 7 6 are 42. So we can write 6 balloons. 6 balloons. It means that 1 friend means each friend will get, therefore each friend will get 6 balloons. Okay, dear students, so we can write answer of question 14 is 6 balloons. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood question 14. Now I will solve question 18. What is question 18? Question 18 is the father's present age is 4 times. The father's present age is 4 times that of the girl. 4 years ago, the girl's age was 6 years. What is the father's present age? Dear students, here Solution of question 18. The given information is father's present age is 4 times that of the girl, and 4 years ago girl's age was 6 years. So present age of girl will be 4 years more than 6. So we have to add 4 with 6 to get the present age of the girl. Then if we multiply that by 4, we will get the present age of father, as father's age is 4 times that of the girl. Okay, dear students, now start. Given 4 years ago the girl's age was 6 years. Therefore, the present age of girl that will be equal to sum of 6 plus 4 years. It means that 10 years. Just simple addition here. Dear students, now here is another condition. Father's present age is 4 times that of the girl. So we have to write as father's present age is 4 times that of the girl. Therefore, father's present age this will be equal to 4 times of 10 years. So if we multiply these two, simple multiplication, multiply 10 by 4, 4 tens are 40 years. Okay, dear students, now see, what is our question? What is the father's present age? Here, father's present age is 40 years. So our required answer for this question is 40 years. Dear students, I have finished solving these 3 questions. I hope you have understood today's lecture. This question 18 you have to solve as your homework. This is your homework 17. Submit your homework on next Sunday. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.